Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to delete Instagram messages chat. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap in open Instagram application, then get logged in into your account. At the homepage of your Instagram, you need to tap on the messenger icon on top right of your screen. There you will see the chats. Now you can go in for choosing any of the conversation that you want to delete. As I am going with the very first one. To delete this conversation, you need to hold this for a while. There you will see the options of delete. You tap on delete. Permanently delete chat. Yes, you tap on delete, and with that the conversation will be deleted. And I'll be showing with this another one. You hold the conversation for a while, then you tap on delete. As you can see, there is no more chat conversation in my chat section. This is how you can delete the Instagram messages chat. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to delete message chat in Instagram. Thank you.